Miraculous Detox drink to kill fat, diabetes and blood pressure. In this video we are going to show you the most effective home remedy, which will help you lower your blood pressure, eliminate the fat, fight diabetes and improve the function of your digestive system. This homemade natural recipe is very simple and easy to make. You just have to follow the simple instructions. You will need the following ingredients: 1 tablespoon of cinnamon, 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice, 1 tablespoon of raw honey, 12 or 16 ounces or 1 glass of water. Directions. Here's what you need to do: just put all the ingredients mentioned above into a blender and blend them together until you get a nice mixture. Make sure you drink this smoothie every morning on an empty stomach immediately after you wake up. Just make a fresh drink when you wake up because it's very simple and easy to make. You will be amazed by the results. This miraculous drink will reduce the blood pressure and destroy fat in your blood. About the ingredients. Cinnamon. We can easily say that cinnamon is one of the most powerful antioxidants on the planet. It will help you regulate your blood sugar levels and lose weight much faster. Honey. Honey is one of the healthiest foods on the plant. It contains high amounts of healthy nutrients and it can provide many health benefits. You can use honey to treat many different health problems such as treat wounds, heart, skin, lung, and gynecological health problem. Just 1 teaspoon of honey every day can be extremely useful for all of us. It will help you lose weight, boost your immune system, etc. It contains enzymes that support your digestion system and empower the digestive procedure, and it will help you in the weight loss process. Apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar is extremely powerful and super healthy ingredient. It is loaded with good bacteria and chemicals. It contains acetic acid which brings down the pulse up to 6%. Lemon juice. Lemon juice has an alkaline impact on your body, serving to manage pH and will help you adjust the glucose levels. Lemon juice contains high amounts of vitamin C, and we all know that vitamin C is extremely powerful and useful antioxidant. We really hope you enjoyed this video and don't forget to share it with your friends and family. Thank you.